Assalamu alaikum guys, again we are here with a new topic, with a new student in a new video. So we are going to start with thigh. Okay, thigh start. Indicator, drive and back down, center mirror, side mirror, shoulder view. Once you see there is no car in the track, you are going to should be empty. Okay, now you can go. U-turn from signal. Rules are same, center mirror, side mirror, shoulder view, indicator and change the track. Better to stop, less time. Okay, good distance. You should stop so you can see the stop line of the signal, okay? Keep an eye on the timer of the signal so you will have a good idea to go with the timer. When the footpath will end in front of your shoulder, you should move the steering towards the left so you will have a good U-turn from the signal, okay? Okay. Roundabout U-turn. Whenever you will press the brake, you should see the center mirror to have a scanning at your backward. Okay. From here, keep checking the roundabout. The roundabout should be empty when you are going to inside. Okay. Change indicator. Good. This time, see, your indicator is not closed. See? When you will feel, you will follow the rules, there will be no problem. Center mirror, side mirror, okay, shoulder view and change the track. Very good. Park after this training car. Indicator, center mirror, side mirror, put from here. Park. Keep checking the side mirror. Okay. When the car is straight, make it straight. Okay, make the steering straight. Okay. What you will do now? Very good. Okay, very good. Okay guys, we will meet in next video with a new topic inshallah.